So here you can see that I have a bunch of pages right over here. And let's see how we can work around with the header and footer options inside. So I'm just going to go around right here and type in TutorTube. So I'm just going to go around, type in TutorTube just like this. And once I do that, the TutorTube text has been applied in all of the pages, as you can see. To make it distinct, I'm going to bold it out and maybe change the color as well, just like this. You can see that it has been applied in everything. Same goes with the footer. You can go over around here and type in Lynn. I'm just going to bold it and I'm going to go around right here and right align it just like this. So it has been applied in all of the pages. So over here, sometimes what you want is that in the front page, you might want to use it as a cover page. So you might not want a header and footer there. In that case, you can click on different first page and then the header and footer will not be applied in the first place. You can go and double click over here, disable that out, and it'll come back. You can also go over here onto options and work with header formats, as you can see. So you can go to header formats and then change around the length. So right now the inches from the top is 0.5. So you want to change it to 1 inch and press apply. Then you can see that there's 1 inch difference. Let me just go into header format and then change it back to 0.5 right over here. So if we were to go to header format again, there's different first pages as an option and different even and odd pages. Once you do that, you can see that on the second page, there's a different header and footer right here. So I can go over here and type in learning just like this. And then I'm going to bold this out, change this into green. So now what happens is that on the first page, there's TutorTube. This is the second page, third page, fourth page. So if you're having facing pages, if you want to print it out later as a facing pages, then this might be useful too as well. So let me just go over here and then go into options and go into header format, disable the different header and footer just like this. So let's say I want the header to be there until 2 pages, and over here from the third page, I want a different header and footer starting. Maybe I want to have a different header and footers for different chapters. So in order to do that, you can go over here and you can see that this is actually linked pages now. So if you want to unlink it, you have to break the page. So I'm just going to click on here, insert, and then I'm going to go to break, and then I'm going to add in a section break right here. So once you do that, the pages has been broken. So if I were to click on this, now you can see that you can have a different first page. So this is different first page on its own, and this is section 2. And what you can do is you can link to previous as well. That means it'll copy out the same header and footer from the previous section. But if you were to turn this off, now you can see that this is a different section. So I can go in and type in TutorTube right here. I'm going to bold this out and then choose something like purple. And now all the pages after that, you can see that it has its own header. So this may be something for like chapter 1 and this may be something for like chapter 2. And that is how you can work around with header and footer options inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.